John's, what's going on? I'm here at Fall Fest 2013, Homecoming the Johnny's Way. We're coming to you live all weekend from October 18th to the 25th. You guys gotta come out and show love to St. John's, man. Come have fun after these midterms, ready? On Monday, October 21st at 12 p.m., come to Tapner Fieldhouse for iHeart SJU. Tuesday, October 22nd, you guys can come out to the Commuter Improv Comedy Show at Sedano Coffee House at 5 p.m. Also, at 7:30 p.m. at the Little Theater, come watch The Guaranteed Way to Make Your First Million. Wednesday, yeah baby, we're going the whole week. October 23rd, come to the casino night at Tapner Fieldhouse at 6. Later that night at 7 p.m., come watch the men's soccer team face Marquette. October 24th, Thursday at 1:50 p.m. in D'Angelo 416A for the Academic Lecture Series. This series will be called the Silent Beaches Environmental Panel. At 8 p.m., come out to the St. John's Talent Show where you guys can see me bust the move. And the week ends off Friday, October 25th at Tapner Fieldhouse where you guys can check out the kickoff for the Johnnies and check out the women's volleyball game at 4 p.m. And last but not least, there will be the tip-off at 6 p.m. at Carnesecca Arena where you can check out your men's and women's basketball team. Guys, there's so much going on here at the Fall Fest. You can't help but to be there. Come celebrate Homecoming the Johnny's Way. You need more information, go to St. John Central. Check out everything you might need to know for everything SJU. And that's all the information for this year's 2013 Fall Fest. You just finished watching